Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change your Discord account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in Open Discord application. First, you need to get logged into your account tapping on Login and provide your registered email address or phone number and password. Tap on Log In. Here you can see profile icon on bottom of right corner. Tap on it. Tap on My Account. Here under account information you can see change password. Tap on it. To change your password, first of all, you need to provide your current password. Now, go in for providing a new password for your account. Tap on Save. Your account password has been successfully changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your Discord account password. Thank you.